30 seconds. Fransman puts it up and gets it to go. That is our third. Fransman releases, gets it to go. His first basket of the game is a Yamaha Rapid 24. Baila is on him. He goes back to his right. Fransman all the way with a redemption play. Home credit drive in the corner. Get it with home credit. UST Quadricennial Pavilion. Take me through this move.
And Fransman just isolating. The ball was offense died down, especially the switching defenses. Fransman, we saw the emotion earlier.
Here in UST, PS Bankable Player of the Game brought to you by PS Bank. Open a savings account rather in just a few taps with PS Bank Mobile. No need to go to the branch. Download now. That was a big shot too.
That was, especially such late in the game. Nothing was getting going, and Fransman just taking Jacob Baila to the rim. And that layup put them up two before Harold Alarcon scored the two.
Correct. All right. Well, he is with our very own Frankie Buenvenida with their first win. Go ahead, Frankie.
We're here with the best player of the game, AJ Fransman. AJ, thank you so much for bringing it home to the nest. I see you're getting a bit emotional over there. So my first question is, you really stepped up into this game. What was your motivation?
Lagi yung sinasabi sa akin ng mga coaches and teammates ko na always stay ready. Like, kahit anong quarter ako ipasok, stay ready lang lagi. Kasi ako minsan, like, in-expect ko papasok ako, pero hindi naman. Like, nasa system kasi ng coach namin, like, sila na yung bahala sa kung paano kami papalaruin. So, yun lang lagi nasa isip ko, stay ready lang lagi.
Kitang-kita naman, you were really ready into this game. At gaano ka-importante sa'yo yung panalong ito?
Sobrang importante kasi nanginayang kami sa last game namin eh. And sa last game namin, feel ko, ako yung dahil natalo dun eh. Like, sa game plan namin, hindi ako nag-stick sa game. Like, may onti na lang eh. So, feel ko yun yung kailangan ko lang bumawi. So, napaka-importante ng game namin na to. So, thankful ako sa binigay ni Lord.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ano yung message mo sa supporters, sa fans, at sa buong Adamson community?
Thank you sa mga sumuporta po sa amin, ng mga nandito and mga nanonood sa live. Thank you kila Father na lagi sumusuporta po sa amin. And especially maraming salamat sa mga coaches ko na andyan sila lagi para sa amin, and sa mga teammates ko lagi nag-encourage sa isa. And sa mga family and friends ko dyan.